Hey, it's me, GoChiCat2427. I'm here with my Baja Beast. Now I'm going to be out in the snow. Now I imagine since this thing gets absolutely no grip on the ground, it will get absolutely no grip out here. I was right. Flirt. Oh, it's awful. Go, 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 go. Oh, this thing's having a hard time. Flirt, flirt, go, 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 go. This isn't working. Yeah, it's not working. So it gets absolutely no grip and I almost fell. This thing will not grip at all on the road. It's especially not going to grip out here. Will it grip up here? No, it won't. Come on, go, go. This thing is not working. It's not doing it, it's going. It's like, no, you can't make me. This thing is not. This thing was like, no. Yeah. Not liking this snow. Oh, there it goes, come on. This is just how slick these roads are. Hey, look at those. Hanging Fed, no. Oh, this thing hates gripping. Hates it, I tell you. Hates it. Hates it, hates it. Go across. Fly! No! Crap, lost it. Yeah, it's not gonna go back up this hill. It will not grip. No, it's like, no. You cannot make me. I mean, the rock crawler had a hard time out here. Go! Drift, 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 drift. Crap. That was cool for a second there. Oh my gosh, he's serious. It's starting to grip now. Well, better. There it goes. Come on, come on. There it goes. It's trying, it's trying. There it goes. Nope. Lost it. It's not going to grip on the road. This thing was not going to grip anywhere at all. Nothing. Yeah, I think I'm getting it here because I can't get any grip anywhere. I can get here. That's like, what if I just floor out into the snow? We'll try that. Can't get grip. See, no grip. It's really not wanting to grip. Losing it. Snow. Not this car's thing. Grip. Not this car's thing. Lost it. Go, go, go. Drift it, drift it. Get your drift on. Sure. Yeah, that's it. That's about it. Alright, guys. See ya.